Ever feel like your phone is getting dull? Maybe you're looking to add something fresh. Well, we got your back. In this video, we'll share with you the top 5 best smartphone apps you must have on your phone. These apps will not only make you a pro editor, but also make your life easier. So, let's get started. Lenza. Apps like Adobe Lightroom make you manually adjust various aspects like exposure, contrast, color, sharpness, and noise. Plus, to access all its features, you'll need a subscription starting at $9.99 per month. And then we have Lenza, the app that's all about making your selfies and portraits shine. No advanced editing knowledge is required. And guess what? It's totally free. Lenza is like having a personal AI wizard to instantly level up your selfies. It magically smooths your skin, brightens those pearly whites, and even lets you tweak your facial features. Plus, it throws in some fancy filters and effects for that extra sparkle. Lenza also keeps it super simple with an intuitive interface. Just a few taps and boom, your photos are transformed. So, if you're all about effortlessly enhancing your selfies without putting a dent in your time or wallet, Lenza has got you covered. Now, here's the good news. Lenza isn't just about selfies. It's also an avatar making machine. By uploading a bunch of selfies, 10 to 20 should do the trick, picking your gender and choosing from cool filter styles like superhero, adventure, rockstar, or cyborg. You can turn your selfies into mind-blowing avatars. This amazing app also offers some awesome photo and video editing tools too, like magical retouching, blurring out backgrounds, and even changing your hair color. It's like being your own personal makeup artist, even if you don't wear any. With features like backdrop cutouts, sky replacements, and a smorgasbord of art styles and effects, Lenza is the whole package for mobile editing. It even hooks you up with a free plan that includes all the goodies. There's just one catch: you can only save one image per day, so it's a great option if you're an occasional user, or you can snag a subscription if you're the editing king or queen. Otter AI voice notes. Have you ever been blown away by those people who effortlessly turn spoken words into organized notes? Well, Otter AI is here to make that magic happen for you too. Otter AI is like a ninja when it comes to accuracy. It nails down those tricky names, specialized terminology, acronyms, and even funky spellings. And it has a custom vocabulary feature to fine-tune that accuracy even more. With Otter Live Notes, taking notes becomes a breeze. No need to juggle between listening and scribbling like a maniac. Just click and boom. Collaborative highlighting, commenting, and even adding images. Yep, you can instantly highlight action items, decisions, and all the juicy deets with a single click. Oh, and did we mention you can share these live notes with others? Zoom recordings can sometimes feel like finding a needle in a haystack. That's where Otter AI's advanced search saves the day. Easily search through all your conversations by using keywords, phrases, speakers, groups, folders, or even specific timeframes. It's not just for Zoom, it works with Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. And even lets you upload audio or video files in a variety of formats: MP3, M4A, WAV, or MP4, you name it. Otter AI's got it covered. And you know what? Otter AI won't empty your pockets like Zoom's audio transcript feature. With Otter AI, you can get in on the action with Zoom Pro starting at just $14.99 per month. For, get this, just one user. Yep, it's a budget-friendly option that won't make your bank account cry. Locket Widget. Are you tired of missing out on the daily adventures of your closest pals? Well, the Locket Widget app is here to keep you connected in the most delightful way possible. Right on your iPhone's home screen. Created by the genius mind of developer Matt Moss in 2021 to bridge the gap between him and his long-distance girlfriend, this app has skyrocketed to success with a staggering 30 million signups. It even bagged Apple's prestigious Cultural Impact Award at the annual App Store Awards. But what exactly is this Locket Widget all about? Let's break it down for you. Remember the cute mini screen corner on the iPhone dedicated to sharing memories with your loved ones on TikTok? Yes, it's like having a tiny Instagram feed right on your home screen. With the Locket Widget, you can effortlessly upload photos to your Locket and watch them as they magically appear on the lockets of your chosen family and friends. When you sign up for the app, you get to select your 10 best friends or create separate lockets for your nearest and dearest. So forget about elaborate captions or seeking public validation. Locket Widget is all about the casual delight of sharing a small square photo. And with almost 2 billion photos shared on the app, it's clear that this innovative concept has struck a chord with tons of users. AnyCode Wallet. Have you ever caught yourself running to catch a flight and you're desperately searching for that sneaky boarding pass? Pretty frustrating, right? Well, there's no need to dig through your wallet or scroll through a million emails anymore. Just reach for your trusty phone and whip out your boarding pass from AnyCode Wallet in a flash. Forget about Apple Wallet or Google Pay. This app gives you the power to effortlessly add any barcode to your digital wallet with a simple scan. Loyalty cards, event tickets, boarding passes, you name it. You can stash it all in one easy-to-access place. Let's talk about the star of the show, the lightning-fast barcode scanner. It works like magic, zapping barcodes with lightning speed and accuracy, even when you're offline. That means you can whip out your barcodes anytime, anywhere, and no Wi-Fi required. This fancy digital storage unit is designed to make your life easier. Set important event reminders or keep track of expiration dates associated with your barcodes. Oh, and did we mention that you can even create your own barcodes with this app? No barcode? No problem. Whip up a barcode of your own, save it for future use, and voila, you've digitized your wallet completely. No need to carry around a bunch of physical cards or tickets anymore. Sharing your barcodes with others is also a piece of cake, whether it's via email, text, social media, or even good old-fashioned print. You have multiple options to securely share your barcodes with just a few taps. Now, let's talk about security. AnyCode Wallet has got your back with backup and restore options. You can easily move your barcodes across devices or import them from other sources or apps. WanderLog. Picture this, you have the travel bug biting hard and you're itching to plan your next adventure. Well, let's face it, the thought of starting from scratch can be overwhelming. Well, fear not, because WanderLog is here to save the day and make trip planning feel like a breeze. One of the coolest things about WanderLog is that it taps into the power of community-generated travel guides. These guides are filled with trustworthy recommendations straight from the mouths of fellow travelers. Now, we all know that starting a trip plan from scratch can be a bit intimidating, but WanderLog has your back. They provide sample travel itineraries and tap to add suggestions to get your creative juices flowing. Once you create an account, WanderLog knows how to grab your attention. They'll prompt you to explore an example trip plan, showing you just how valuable the app can be. Trust us, your excitement levels will be off the charts and you'll be itching to dive right in. WanderLog takes trip planning to a whole new level by providing location-specific suggestions and concise instructions. They know that having a list of options is way less intimidating than having a blank canvas. So they make sure you have all the tools and guidance you need to create an epic itinerary. Let's talk about the app's design. Navigating through the app feels like a breeze, no confusing menus or hidden tabs here. It's all about simplicity and ease of use. And that's a wrap. These 5 apps have showcased the incredible possibilities of technology to simplify and enhance our lives. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting discoveries. Stay tuned for future episodes as we continue to explore the ever-evolving world of innovative tech. Until next time, take care and see you soon.